So guys, in no time there will be a launch of Xiaomi Redmi X with Snapdragon 855, which is presumed to be the upcoming Poco F2 for the global market. Perhaps the most significant development came into light with the release of Avengers Endgame. The official Weibo account of Redmi shared an Endgame themed video snippet where they clearly shown an illusion of an upcoming Redmi branded flagship phone with pop-up front camera. This device will feature an optical fingerprint scanner, and on the battery side, the Pocophone F2 will feature a 4000 mAh battery. The phone will be charged via a USB Type-C cable, and there is the support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 on board. There is no word about the phone supporting wireless charging, as this will increase the price, and that is what Poco phones are not meant to be. Coming to cameras, the Pocophone F2 takes the camera offer to a new level with a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 48 megapixel primary sensor, that is Sony IMX586 sensor, which can be found in Redmi Note 7 Pro as well, plus a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 32 megapixel selfie shooter for selfie lovers. And as far as display is concerned, it will feature an AMOLED display, which is a huge upgrade from Poco F1. It will be a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus in size, and the exclusion of notch from the display, giving it an immersive experience. And for selfie, it will be a motorized pop-up camera. Pocophone F1 was claimed to be the cheapest smartphone with the Snapdragon 845. The Pocophone F2, however, will get an upgrade in the CPU department and will sport the Snapdragon 855 processor, and will come with Android Pie out of the box with the MIUI skin on top for better optimized performance. Now to the price and launch. There is no official release date yet announced by the Pocophone F2, but it is speculated that the phone will be launched around May this year and will be priced at around $450. The Pocophone F2's price in India, however, is rumored to be around 26,000 for the version of the phone coming with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. If any new updates appear, then I will update it in the comments below, so do subscribe and hit the bell. Now coming to the big question, should you upgrade? If what we know from the leaks and rumors is at least partially true, the Pocophone F2 seems to feature a number of important improvements to the Pocophone F1. With the whole year in between the two phones, this is quite expected, and if you are a fan of Pocophone F1, the F2 does seem like a reasonable way to move forward. The starting price for the F2 is expected to be $100 more than the F1, which also seems more than reasonable taking the upgrade into account. If you enjoyed the video, then subscribe, like and hit the bell. I am Satej and see you in another video. Peace out.